Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion, we can meet again, we can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel because this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, same as usual, we want talking about cryptocurrency, and now I want to share to you about Indian how the tourists freeze more crypto funds. Indian Directorate of Enforcement froze $46.4 million in the accounts of Well Indian branch until the exchange can account for the criminal process. It's transferred out of the country. India's Directorate of Enforcement announced Friday that it has frozen the financial accounts of Bengaluru based financial service company Yellow Chun Technologies, some of which were held by Fulford Crypto Exchange, the Indian branch of Singapore Vault. The move is linked to an ongoing investigation into money laundering by China-like instant loan companies. This is the second time this week the agency has taken action in the cryptosphere in connection with the case. The financial watchdog announced it was freezing yellow tunes, bank balance, payment gateway balance and balances in the Freeport crypto exchange for a total of 3 and 7 billion rupees, or 46 and 4 million, after determining that the company was a sale essentially incorporated by two Chinese nationals using PADMs. According to newspaper accounts, the ED spent 3 days searching premises associated with yellow tons. The ED uncovered 23 entities that had deposit funds in yellow. Lex QYC, Know Your Customer norms, lose regulatory control of allowing transfer to foreign vaults without accepting any recent declaration. QYC non-recording of transaction on blockchain to save cost ETH and other. Citing India Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2002, the aid froze fund in Fulford accounts acquired sums it transferred from Yellowton vaults to foreign vaults. Singapore financial watchdog pushed back against Terra and 3AC Association. It was reported earlier this week the ED has frozen account holding egg and $1 million. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. And Maybe just this. Thank you very much. See you.